civic accountability platform, BudgIT, has launched its 2024-2025 report in Abuja, revealing that 662 of 2,760 tracked capital projects were abandoned or unexecuted despite 30 billion naira in allocations. The report highlighted widespread inefficiencies and poor, fraudulent project delivery across 30 states. Senior reporter Habida Lawal has more.
The event brought together stakeholders from government, civil society organizations, development partners and community champions who reviewed key lessons from the report and discussed how citizen-led accountability can support government oversight and improve service delivery. At the event, BudgIT described the tracker report as a tool that not only presents evidence from the field but also strengthens conversation around transparency, performance and responsiveness in governance.
I'm sure that for a number of Nigerians, they would want to focus on the ones that are referred to as unexecuted projects, abandoned projects, and fraudulent projects. But the beauty of all this is that as we look at these projects, let us understand clearly the limitations that the states are faced with, the challenges that they are faced with, and importantly, perhaps how politically exposed persons are managing the funds that come to the state.
But we're trying to see how we can upgrade the system. We're trying to see how we can integrate with information coming up from Tracker about abandoned projects, about failed projects, and projects that actually have been paid for.
The reports tracked 2,760 capital projects across 30 states over a 13-month period, with a total allocation of 2.26 trillion naira. However, Tracker's verification showed that only about half of these projects were completed, while 1,322 projects were found to be ongoing, mostly at a slow pace, abandoned, unexecuted or delivered in ways that failed to meet basic standards.
You have maybe environment, a particular amount is just set aside somewhere, and then you don't even know what it's going to be meant for eventually. So we have all of these several issues in the budget that this is also targeting.
Most of the projects that were done, some of them were not done to specifications. You find solar, there's also what we call the solarization of constituency project. It seems like there's a big lobby around solar lighting or street lights in the country. Because a chunk of the constituency projects are delivered, and we're also doing check that within 1 year, most of these solar projects do not even work anymore.
While others called for more transparency in the procurement process, improved access to project information, and stronger enforcement mechanisms to ensure contractors and implementing agencies deliver quality outcomes. The resolve at this gathering is that effective oversight restores the social contract, and that when people see their contributions translated into clinics stocked with medicines, schools equipped with textbooks, and roads that stand the test of time, they are more willing to pay taxes and less tolerant of corruption. Habida Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.